morning, Shubhodaya. My name is Purvik Montvan Akuti Mandechari.
Okay, Purvik, shall we start now?
Okay.
National symbols of India. National flag.
National flag Tiranga.
National anthem.
Jana Ana Mana.
National calendar.
Shaka calendar.
National song.
Vande Mataram.
National fruit.
Mango.
National river.
River Ganga.
National animal.
Royal Bengal tiger.
National tree.
Banyan tree.
National bird.
Peacock.
National currency.
Indian rupee.
National reptile.
King cobra.
National heritage animal.
Indian elephant.
National flower.
Lotus.
National vegetable.
Pumpkin.
National sports.
Orchid.
Very good. Thank you.